Okay, so in section 7.3, there really aren't a lot of videos. It's not a lot of examples. It's really just putting a lot of ideas we've already had together. So hopefully you're enjoying it. We have y is greater than x squared plus 1. So treat it as an equation, y equals x squared plus 1. So we know it's a parabola. There's no stretch or compression because it's got a coefficient of 1. It has a vertical shift of 1. Up 1. So we'll put the vertex there, and then we can draw the parabola based on either a table of values or if we remember how to draw a parabola. Okay, then that's the basic shape with no stretch or compression. It's going to be a dotted line, so dotted or dashed. A little bit harder to draw when you're trying to dot it. Okay, and then you're either inside the parabola or you're outside of the parabola. So you pick a point not on the parabola. I'm going to pick 0, 0. And I use the inequality, 0 for y, 0 for x. So 0 is greater than 1. No, that's not true. So not outside the parabola, but inside the parabola. Now this was not a system. It was just one inequality. And so that's what we have, and we're done. I guess you could color it a little better. But anyway, that's how you graph an inequality that's a parabola. Now, for the other nonlinear things we've been doing, we've done a circle, and we've done a parabola, or a parabola we've done a lot. That's true. But in an ellipse. But the circle and the ellipse, we haven't really talked about graphing those yet. We're going to do that in chapter 8. But you could have inequalities with a circle and an ellipse as well. Just we're not going to do that in this section. So we'll see if we see any later on, but I kind of doubt it. But they do exist. Okay.